Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental control on your child's TCL 30 device. So first you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device. To do it, open Settings, scroll down, choose Accounts, choose Google account to remove, and click remove account. Cool. Now we need to add child's Google account on child's device. But you need to know if the child knows their password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know, or just ask the child to change the password. So click add account, choose Google, and log in the child's Google account. And the child's email and password. Click I agree. Cool. Now go back to settings menu, choose Google, scroll down, click Parental Controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Select child's Google account, and now you need to log in into parent Google account. So enter email, enter password, scroll down and confirm child's password. Click agree, allow supervision. One moment. Oh, this device is so buggy, but as you can see, Google Family Link is working on this device. And now we need to install Google Family Link on parent's device. To do it, open Play Store on your device, on parent's device, and find here Family Link application. Install Family Link on your device, open it, scroll down, click Get Started, and here you will see your child's Google account. So click on it, and cool, now we have full control of the child's device or the child's TCL 30, and we can block separate applications on the child's phone. For example, click View All Apps and find here application you want to block. For example, I want to block I want to block jewelry. So find jewelry here. So find jewelry and click on the Send Watch and click block. Wait a while. Cool, jewelry was successfully blocked on the child's phone. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.